everybody, I'm gonna show you how to clean a shirt that is very dirty, and this is called a wring around. Watch how I do it. It's gonna take me 5 minutes. See, I'm just scraping it, and then the next thing, I will get this water, has baking soda in it, that I'm using to clean the dirt off my collar. And I'm just gonna make a circle, and then first I dab it like that. I put it back slowly so it doesn't tip over, and then I start brushing the dirt off my collar, and I'm brushing it with the toothbrush. As you can see, this is my dad's toothbrush though, but he doesn't run it. It's really old, so just getting it. I'm almost done though. Doesn't really take that long. See how almost white it looks? Yeah, that's how I'm supposed to do it. Then I'm gonna dab it again. Put it in the water. Make a hole. Put it down. Ooh, you saw that, right? Yep. Do that. My daddy taught me. I've been doing this since it's been October. It's been lots. I've been getting used to it, so I know how to do it. See that? You can still see it though. But watch when I just put it. It's gonna go so white. Baking soda is the best thing. Where did it go? Must be somewhere around here. It is right here. Baking soda, arm and hammer to make anything clean. Just gonna continue to clean my little dirt I got from. So this is how it happened, how I got dirty. So I was just playing, running up and down, playing, slipping, and the field was really muddy. So, but this is at school, so you don't really know if, your color is gonna get wet because it's all the way behind you on your neck. So you have to scrub it really hard and make sure. And my dad, he never comes home looking like that, never. Because that was rules in his house, and he never disobeyed the rules. That's why he said to me, you have to always clean my shirt or not disobey the rules. You got both of those choices, and I picked both of those choices. And my choice is think about what you do it before you do it, and then make a choice, and then know why you're doing it so you don't get in trouble. Now watch this. Look at this. Look at this. Look how clean this is. Look at it. See that? That's the beauty. My name is Philando Hill III, and I'm teaching you how to clean a shirt.